I told you last time about unrealized aspect marker Pahn, but I forgot to give you the heads up that it is also used in other contexts. It is a preposition, it's a noun, so make sure to look in the dictionary to know that it is used in other contexts. It's not only an aspect marker for the unrealized verb. You will hear it used, for example, when if I want to say, the cat is sitting under the table. That is another use of the word. And ban is also, it also means bait or lure used for fishing. So just be aware of that as you are studying and listening for the use of the word. So that's for ban. And also last time I asked you to add men, I want to, verb, do something. Plan, I will do something. That's the typical aspect marker. And then there's kak. You can add kak, can. So I will do something. I want to do something, imen. And ikak, I can do something. So those three words I would like you to use with unrealized to help you as you are expressing yourself in Pohnpeian.